Hi everyone! Today we're going to be reading the book of CH, which makes the sound ch. Chad likes to have some fun each day. Channa and Chas like to play checkers with Uncle Chet. Chandler likes to play fire chief very much. Charlie and Rachel like to watch the same show. Chelsea reaches the first branch. She likes to climb trees. Chelsea and her chum chuckle at the beach. Cherry sits in a big chair on the porch. Chip searches the patch to choose the best pumpkin. China eats lunch in the kitchen. What is for lunch? A sandwich. Match these CH words to the pictures. Cherry, watch, chipmunk, cheese. The end. Thank you for listening, and if you enjoyed today's book, don't forget to like and subscribe.